First of all, click on front plane and sketch. Here draw the center line and then search for segment command. Click on segment command and give it 2 and OK. Here 3 segments are created. Here another center line drawn and a tangent curve put on these 2 constructions line and dimension it. Center of this arc and this point coincidence, another construction line has been vertically drawn here. After that, top plane, select top plane and sketch on top plane. Draw another construction line from other side and then click on point and line and pierce these points. Another tangent arc and these 2 points will coincidence. Another center line will drawn here. Now you can see purpose of these 2 lines. Exit the sketch and here 3D sketch and click line, draw line between these 2 construction line. So this line will serve as a guidance curve in loft. A loft, and in guidance curve click on this line. Click OK. This 1/4 of the model has been prepared. Now click on front plane and mirror it. Now half of the model has been prepared. Another one mirror is required. Here top plane, another mirror. Complete model. Now here you can see sharp edges. Now we want to remove these edges. Knit already these surfaces. Now on front plane, sketch a center line, then offset these center line with these options. This is sketch, exit sketch, then trim the surface with this sketch. Sketch, select sketch, then surface, and keep surface selection. Remaining will be trimmed off. Now same can repeat on other side. Offset, then trim with sketch. Here selected sketch, then surface and keep surface selection. Click OK. Now we use surfaces, fill surface and click and open loop select. Then curvature and apply to all edges selected already. A surface has been created here. You can see same process will be repeated on the other side. Fill surfaces, right click and click on select open loop. Here all edges will be selected. Here option curvature selected and apply to all edges. Click OK. Now this model is created. You can apply any appearance to this model. Here steel applied. Another scene so that lighting becomes some stronger. This scene applied. An image and background of the scene will be removed by edit scene, none. Click OK. Now command manager will off and property manager off to see the model. Subscribe for the more videos.